Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me today. Just checking you can see all my colours. Yes, we'll start off with this one. Now firstly, I don't know whether I will be using all of these colours, but I'm doing a collab with Lisa, Marvin, Mitch from Rain and Pause, and hopefully Shelee as well, if Shelee's got the time. She's very busy. And we're using Persephone by TLP and Parakeet by TLP, along with Billabong. So let's just put those three colours together. Those are the three colours we're all definitely using. Those three, aren't they lovely together? So I'll show you them. This one is Persephone. These are from the, well, this one and Billabong are from the last release. This is Billabong. Gorgeous. And this is from, I think it's 2 or 3 releases ago. It's Parakeet. When this dries, it's quite golden. Lovely golden shifts in it. It's really pretty. So those are those three. This one is, I'll just show you and these are, so that's Parakeet. Oh, nearly went everywhere. Billabong and Persephone. This is a stuck-up pig. This is called Pretentious, and it's a chameleon pigment. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this or not. Might keep this for something else. So it shifts through lots of different colours. So that's a maybe. Then I have golden iridescent bright gold fine. Jo Sonja aqua. Atelier brilliant magenta. And Matisse southern ocean blue. So obviously if I use the three blues, then the painting's going to be predominantly blue, which is what I always do. So I might leave that one out. I like to use this because it's transparent, so it's nice just underneath the cell activator. So shall I just stick to those, and then I've got the 2 pinkies. I'll show you my cell activators. I've got 3 mixed up. I've got this one, which is Atelier blue black mixed with Atelier phthalo turquoise. Really nice colour. And oh, this one's from a while ago. It's equal parts of Amsterdam turquoise blue and Amsterdam turquoise green. But it's very lumpy. Oh no, that's gone horrible. Why has it gone like that? Ooh, that's a definite no. So forget that one. Scrub that. Don't know why it's gone like that. Yuck. And white. That is equal parts of Atelier and Amsterdam titanium white. I might mix up some more of that turquoise cell activator because I quite fancied using 3 cell activators. So I'll just mix up some more and I'll get messy.
Like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for infatuated light. Although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom. Always in bloom for we could really meet. Layers, it's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. too long. Yes, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me. We don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been, oh, we don't need to work so hard. We don't need to act so strong. It's been too long. Too long.
Beautiful colours, so pretty. I will have the links for Shelee, Lisa's and Mitch's videos in my description box. We are releasing them, I think we're releasing them at the same time. We're not doing a video train with them. And I know I said at the start that we're using the same 3 colours, but I don't think we are. I think there was a bit of a misinterpretation, so 1 or 2 of the same colours the same. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Everybody take care. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye.